What I like about the shows the best is just sitting here watching all the amazing breeds they've got here. Watching the best the dogs have to offer is not something you get to see anywhere else. My favorite part about showing would be that you're so nervous, you're really not sure what you're about to do. It's more of a rush than you think. The people that get in the ring and do it, most of them are professional handlers. I'm an owner, handler, and it's a little nerve-wracking.
It's a unique experience. Dog shows are interesting in that you get to see a lot of different breeds, a lot of beautiful breeds. It's fairly chaotic traveling around with dogs. We travel in a small Prius and have two large breed dogs, Russian Wolfhound, Borzoi. As far as the shows, what I like about them is seeing the different breeds and seeing all the dog people. I'm kind of a people watcher as much as a dog watcher, but the shows you get to see a lot of both.
If you've never been to a dog show before, I would suggest going. Just as a spectator, just watching all the breeds and the varieties is amazing.